Welcome to REI 2024. My name is Michael Schmäler. I'm the Managing Director of TaiyangNews, and I'm very excited to have with me Alessandro Andalini, who's the Head of Photovoltaics at Coveme, a leading and pioneering company in the backsheet sector in the solar industry. Coveme has been around for many, many years, driving a lot of very important innovations in the segment, and they've been also one of the driving forces in the backsheet segment in India. Alessandro, you have some news to tell.
Thank you, Michael. Thanks a lot for being here. It's a pleasure to discuss with you our new products that we just entered in the market, especially designed for TOPCon technology. As you know, TOPCon technology is more sensitive of humidity compared to PERC. So we design a backsheet based on established structure of our transparent backsheet, where we have two PT, one PT UV resistant, one PT hydrolysis resistant, and a primer. This primer is a special primer with a higher density, which increases thickness. What is the result? Is that we will have a full backsheet with a higher barrier compared to standard backsheets, in the range of 4 times less water ingress. This will provide a perfect barrier for bifacial PV modules, and we believe it is a best alternative solution than glass.
So tell us a little bit about the product. So how long is it in the market, or when are you introducing it, and so how is the roadmap for this product?
Thank you. The product has been introduced last year. We have a couple of customers that are already using that, and is under validation in several other customers. We receive already some report of resistance of this backsheet together with TOPCon module. We made 2,000 hours dump it, and we had a very good result between 1.5 to 3% loss, which is considered a very good result in this business. We are now running additional tests with Fraunhofer, and several customers are testing this. The idea is to have an established solution with an established construction of product, nothing new. We just increase the thickness of our primer and use a special primer which provides additional barrier.
Okay, perfect, thanks. Let's maybe talk a little bit about also one other hot topic in module manufacturing, and this is of course glass backsheet versus glass. In recent years, actually, there was a tendency towards glass modules, a glass backsheet having been the standard for a long time, but we've seen some developments for different reasons, but there's also good reasons to stay on with a traditionally and well-proven glass backsheet solution, and Alessandro will also give us some background on why this is the case.
Of course, you know, glass is now taking place, let's say, mainly from Chinese producers. They started, especially with the new technology TOPCon, when it came in place, they decided to start with glass maybe for the humidity topic reason, or maybe because glass industry is pushing, the lobbying is pushing. However, we believe that glass, using 2mm glass on both sides, is not enough to protect your plant. The plant, we have already received several feedback from plants where the plants are destroyed by hail. So in several regions where the hail could be an issue, we would not recommend to install a glass, rather to go on a glass backsheet. And not only for hail. The glass backsheet will have additional feature. It has a much heat dissipation. It provides a reduced cost in terms of not only the bill of material, but also in terms of several factors. For example, production throughput with glass. We experienced discussing with customers, they have around 30% less production throughput due to different issues. The machinery must be adapted. The mentality of people must be set to produce glass. You have a lot of scraps, a lot of waste, and in additional, you have facilitated installation if you use glass backsheet. You have also better handling. If you have glass, you need to think about a bigger warehouse where you have to store your glass. Your glass cannot be stuck up. So whereas if you use backsheet, you can use much less warehouse stock. So there are a lot of different features to be considered in glass versus glass backsheet. I think the suggestion is evaluate the backsheet solution, because it's been established for many years. Many years PV panel has been done with glass backsheet. In addition, we produce a backsheet with a higher barrier, and I think we believe that this barrier provide the same reliability as a glass. With, of course, I didn't mention, but the most important is the weight. With 2 millimeter glass, you have a very high weight. If you continue instead with 3.2 millimeter glass, which is a higher protection against hail impact, and a backsheet, you will have a lot of savings, and especially you can use your glass backsheet module to be installed everywhere, not only in the utility scale, but also in rooftop application.
Wonderful, thanks Alessandro. I think that's really great, because I think here in India so much is happening, so much expansion, so much energy, so much enthusiasm. So it's great to have a lot of innovation solutions. Thank you.
Thank you very much.